Hi, I'm Megan Davis, and I'm a riding instructor and horse trainer in North Idaho. I love teaching because I want to give people the confidence and the courage to show up and be themselves, find their light again, gain the confidence in asking for something new without fear of failure. My goal with teaching lessons is to teach people how to ride biomechanically with their horse. Being able to come in as a beginner and learning shoulder control, hip control, rib control, how to back softly, how to be a team with their horse, and feeling like they learned something they can work on throughout the week or to help them grow consistently with their horse. Come as you are so that we can learn together, and we will work through whatever challenges you face, whether it is on the ground or under saddle.